My name is Federico Zaccara and I've been in SAFE for 7 years. I'm on board since 2017. My journey started in 2017 as a technical support in the quotation team. After COVID, the way to communicate changed very quickly. In accordance with my manager, we have created a new role, the project manager, that is a kind of supervisor in the sales process. Personally, I brought my own home with my partner. I've been chasing that achievement for a long time and I'm very happy to get my new home. SAFE is a pioneer in the market, so they have created strong products. This kind of products made me very comfortable and confident selling and installing our products. My free time is dedicated on sports and traveling. Me and my partner, we love traveling. We spend many days, many places in the world. I like to say that my next place will be my favorite. Looking at Italy's investments, I'm pretty confident that the brand will grow constantly. I will be very happy and will be part of it.